Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Tech PBA. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you some easy steps to delete blank pages in your Word document. So as you can see here in this document, I have a document which has 2 pages. Yes, as you can see, it says 1 of 2. So there are 2 pages in this document. We are going to delete this second page, which is a blank page. So the first step is to go to the paragraph group of commands and then click on the paragraph symbol. So when you click on it, you will see all these paragraph symbols in your document. So select it and just press the backspace. Once you press the backspace, all the paragraph symbols will go away, and then it will automatically delete the second page, as you can see here. And then also sometimes you'll also see page break. When you click on the paragraph sign, you'll see a page break sign beneath the first page. So what you have to do is to highlight the page break and then press the backspace to delete the second blank page. And so it says 1 of 1 page. So you can just click on the paragraph symbol to clear the paragraph. The second thing is to go into the view tab and then select navigation pane, and then you select the second page under pages and then press the delete or the backspace button to delete the second page, just as we saw there. And then you can close the navigation pane there, and then we'll move on to the third step. The third step is quite the easiest one. You just click in the blank space and then press the backspace key on your keyboard, and that should delete the blank page from your documents, just as you saw there. I just pressed the backspace key on my keyboard and I just got rid of it. Yes, so that is the third step. So it shows 1 of 1 page. So, and then the last but not least step we are looking at is to save this document as a PDF file, and then we'll use the PDF options to delete the second page. So I'll click on File, Save As, I'll click on Browse, and then in the dialog box I'll select the location I want to put the file. I'll select in the Save As type, I'll select PDF, and then I'll give it a name as usual. I'll leave what is there. And then the next thing is to go into the options. I'll click on the options, and then in the options pop-up box, I want to go under page range. I'll select pages, which is the last option, and then I'll make sure I select 1 to 1, pages from 1 to 1. So this consequently will it will only save the first page and then delete the second one. So I'll click on OK and then click on Save. It should automatically open the PDF document. And then guys, as you can see, the second blank page has been successfully deleted. You can go ahead and then convert this back to your normal Word documents, and you should be fine. So guys, this has been a video on how to delete blank pages in Word documents. So kindly like this video if you enjoyed it, share this video, and click on the subscribe button, turn on notification to get more videos. See you. Bye.